Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to speak about system requirement for Adobe.
Minimum and recommended system requirement for Photoshop. Windows. Minimum recommended processor. Intel or AMD processor with 64-bit support, 2 GHz or faster processor with SSE 4.2 or later. Operating system. Windows 10 64-bit version 9009 or later. LTSC version are not supported. RAM 8 GB, 60 GB or more. And about graphic card. GPU with DirectX 12 support, 1.5 GB of GPU memory, GPU with DirectX 12 support, and 4 GB of GPU memory for 4K displays and greater. And about hard disk space. 4 GB of available hard disk space. Additional space is required for installation. 60 GB of available hard disk. Additional space is required for installation. And the fast internal SSD for app installation for Mac OS. Minimum recommended processor. You need Intel processor with 64-bit support, 2 GHz or faster processor with SSE 4.2 or later. Operating system. Mac OS Catalina version 10.50 or later. Mac OS Big Sur version 11 or Mac OS Catalina version 10.15. And how much RAM? You need 8 GB or 16 GB or more. And graphic card, you need GPU with metal support, 1.5 GB of GPU memory, GPU with metal support, 4 GB of GPU memory for 4K display and greater.
Language versions available for Photoshop, Windows and Mac OS. English, Spanish, French, Italiano, Portuguese, Netherlands, Norwegian, and Polish. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe us on YouTube.